We got the Fridge 48 rolling out of shop today, guys. Probably TMG's #1 seller right here. Going on my man Chris. He's got this and a badass rocket stove too. Y'all check out the video on the rocket stove after this. We got the Fridge 48. Like I said, America's favorite backyard pit right here, guys, and for good reason. Chris has got quite the setup right here, so let's check it out. We'll start with the smoker itself. Like I said, Fridge 48, that is our cabinet door style. We got stainless steel accents everywhere. All of our fridges get 3 sliding trays. Now we'll do a fridge in a 36, 48, 60, 72. We'll keep going. 3 sliding trays in here. Now this is a reverse flow smoker. So we've got removable reverse flow plates down in here for easy cleaning. Directs the smoke all the way across and then back out of the stack. Do have its fire poker in there as well. Now he did add our TMG Pitts tell-truth thermometers as long as the eyebrows over the thermometer. We got the stainless steel shelf down here, paper towel utensil holder, of course. On our off-road package, the upgraded wheels and tires from our guys mods down in Texas. And we got the old man stainless steel logo here. His daughter Lindley gave him that nickname, so that's what we're going with, the old man. He ain't that old, guys. Anyways, on the hot box here, 30-inch hot box, 5 sliding trays in here, guys. Y'all know the deal, 1,776 square inches of cook space. Hey, that's just because we love America, okay? That's all there is to it. The way this works is it runs independent from the smoke chamber. You'd be cooking at 2 different temperatures at once. That 5 sliding trays in here, a lot of cook room, great for chicken, ribs, pork. It's all good in there. You can get direct fire in there as well. Come around to the firebox. Now he did upgrade to our insulated firebox. Got the fire management cradle in there as well. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. Step around to the back side here. We've got a rear folding shelf with a butcher roll holder as well. Fold down, slide your butcher paper on there, pull it over, wrap your briskets up, makes it easy. We've also got another shelf on the nose of the smoker as well, so he's all shelved up on this Fridge 48. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pitts, Knoxville, Tennessee.